Jim, can you take to the top of the podium after that? Please, thank you very much. We also want some, get your photograph taken up there. Have a word in a minute. We also got the masters. Let's talk to the race winner. Well, the champion last year, and that's a bit of a champion driving. Had wins every time out this year, haven't you, so far?
Malton Parker was second, but everywhere else, yeah, the car's been going absolutely super, really.
And Mark is, how old was he made to get to the points of the championship?
He was out at Oldham, but he didn't take the start. He's very, very keen. He's usually quicker than me here, so maybe he's a bit rusty with having a few meetings off.
He got the fastest lap on the last lap.
Oh, did he? A little swine.
We have to try and get back to him tomorrow, but he was going very well, wasn't he? It's good to have a bit of opposition.
Oh, absolutely, yeah, absolutely, he deserves it. Well done.
Have you done much to the car after last year?
Yes, Rick's built us a new engine and it's just got torque everywhere. That's the biggest difference to the car, really. Obviously, Anthony looks after it, Anthony Seddon Racing, and you know that's never a problem. We don't worry about that. The engine was a little bit off cam last year. You know, if you bogged it down, and that was it. But this year we've got power everywhere, so yeah, it's going very well. Yeah.
And a nice big number one on it.
Yes, that's right. Yeah.
Can't help noticing that. Well done. Congratulations then to Jim. And we've got Brian then.
Yes.
Because?
Well, it's a bit of a slide, you say?
No, a bit of a sigh.
Oh, a bit of a sigh. Oh, right. Yes, exhausted. I'm getting old. Too old. But yeah, I continue to improve. You know, just couldn't get the times in. You know, it's the first time out with a decent car this year, and whether it's I'm going rusty or not, I don't know. But I just could not get the times. But I held station at third place.
And the first race, what went wrong with the car then?
The gentleman on the rolling road that had put the needles into the pistons had not tightened the grub screw up tight enough, and we ended up with 3 needles instead of 4.
Yeah, it's a bit slow off the line, and in this race as well.
Well, this race I was perhaps being a bit cautious here, but the other race no, was just slow. Everybody's fast.
And tomorrow you'll be able to challenge the things?
I shouldn't think any better than I've done today. Like the other race, I was be at the back of the grid, so that'll be fun.
Yeah, it will be, won't it? We'll watch that. Thanks very much, Brian.